I'm going to show you how you can take your LinkedIn page and turn it into a lead generation system, because right now it's set up to trick you into hiding from your ideal clients. So I'm going to take you through my top 4 tips that are at the top of your LinkedIn page so you can clearly communicate and grab that attention so that everything else that you're doing can get an audience. Now, a lot of this stuff I've created for my clients because I've seen ways to get more attention. Okay, so what Hunts did was they said, I'm a business, right? They got confused. There's a place for a business page, and the personal page on every single platform is always going to get more attention. So you want to take advantage of your personal pages, even on Facebook. We want to see you. How well can you see things on cell phones? 70% of your audience needs to be able to see how you can help them on their cell phone, and they need to be able to identify you. So what should you wear for your profile picture? If your best client outfit is a suit and tie, then of course, wear your best clothes. If you become a little bit unrecognizable, you just might want to change it a little bit. You want people to be able to find you. Think about straw on a camel's back. The more opportunity you can give a couple milliseconds longer on your page, the greater chance we have to convert. So there's an editing function inside of LinkedIn, so you can zoom it in. Think maybe a halo around your face. You don't want this, right? Lighting is super important. Teeth, they convert, so use yes, we can definitely go further. Makeup could be good. I would say airbrushing is totally fine to do. And see how I'm pointing away from the copy. So what that does is it takes you, oh, I gotta go to the grocery store. So you wanna get the eyeballs, copy, eyeballs, copy. It's a little circle of sales. Then you look on your cell phone and you see, oh, my head moved around. Is my copy still showing? And pro pictures, if you can, do it. You want to be consistent across platforms. Your profile picture is your logo. You want to make sure when somebody finds you over on Instagram that they recognize you. Magazines are all airbrushed. Why do you think that is? They sell better. So stack those little straw on the camel's back of things that you can see to layer and improve your chance of getting picked to have a conversation.